Just like anybody else, we have a front doorbell, and just like most people, we have one of those wireless press button things and a couple of ringers that are plugged into the mains inside the cabin somewhere. Someone presses the button, doorbell goes off, dog goes mad, and that's when you find out someone's at the door, and you don't find out who's at the door till you answer the door. We had a strange situation again just before Christmas where the doorbell just wasn't going off. It had worn out. It was a few years old, and people were pressing it and there was no sound. And then it started doing its own thing, its own random, just going off whenever it wanted. And the last straw was when it went off at 4:30 in the morning. Doorbells went off, Rocky went mad, and 4:30 in the morning, of course, there was nobody there. So we decided it was time that we got with the modern world and bought ourselves an upgraded doorbell, something that would probably last. After doing a bit of looking around on the internet, I looked at Temu, and then I decided, no, I wanted something that'd be more reliable with an app that was sort of recognised and things that get updates. And of course, everyone seems to go for the Ring doorbell, but I came across something that does exactly the same thing, pretty much. Well, it does do exactly the same thing, and the quality is just as good. I got one of these from ieGeek. That's what I'm calling it. It's IE and then Geek, but ieGeek. And it's a 180-degree, head-to-toe smart video doorbell, and it comes with this ringer box, the Bell J10, which the Ring doorbell does not. That's an added accessory. Now, there's 3 ways of running this ieGeek smart video doorbell. You can just run it like a normal doorbell, where when somebody presses the button, the ringer will go off inside your home or cabin or wherever you live. Or you can run it with cloud storage and pay a monthly subscription. Or you can do what we chose to do and insert a memory card in it, because this will take a memory card. I don't know if Ring doorbells do that. And then there's no need for cloud storage, and it videos any sort of movements, anyone ringing the doorbell. You can also have an app on your phone where when someone presses the doorbell, not only does the ringer ring, but your phone starts ringing. You can answer it just like you would a phone call. This has got a speaker in it. You can talk to the person who's pressing the doorbell. It's also got a microphone in it, and they can talk back to you. At the same time, all this activity is being recorded either on the memory card or on the cloud. Now, if you're not doing that, it's just going to act like a doorbell. It's also got night vision, and the video quality is very good. It's proper HD, and you can download any video clips that it does record, just in case something's happened. If you don't want to answer the door to the person who's there, you can tell them to go away, but you're not interested. Another nice thing about this smart video doorbell is if you're running the app and someone comes up to your door and doesn't even press the doorbell, like some of these couriers do, they just leave the parcel on the doorstep, you'll get a notification on your phone that someone's at the front door or there's movement by your front door. Right, I've opened the box and I'll show you what's in there in a sec. The first thing I recommend you do is read the instruction manual. It's very good. Instructions are very clear. It shows you how to set the video doorbell up. It gives you advice on where to position it outside your front door. It tells you how to power it up, load the memory card, connect it to your Wi-Fi, because you'll need to connect it to your Wi-Fi if you're going to run the app. And it'll give you full instructions on how to set up your account, which is free, and everything else to get up and running. Let's have a look what's in the box. Inside the box is the mounting bracket, some screws and raw plugs if you want to go down that route, some sticky pads to stick the mounting bracket on if you don't want to use the raw plugs and screws. You get the device itself, instruction manual, and a Type-C charging cable. You fully charge it when you get it. Inside the charging port, it'll have a red light showing that it's charging, and when it's fully charged, the light changes to a blue colour. You've got your, I think that's an on-off button, as well as press it to like you would a normal doorbell. But as soon as anyone walks up to this thing, it'll start recording video, as long as you've got a subscription, which I didn't want to go for, so I've put a memory card in it. So that's great. It won't cost you any more monthly cost once you've bought the device. It's got infrared in it. Night vision is very good on this, and it records in colour as soon as there's movements. You can talk to people There's a speaker on the bottom here, and a microphone somewhere on this somewhere. And on this part here, you've got your charging port. I'll just open that up. Your charging port. Every 2 or 3 months you'll need to recharge this. You've got a reset button in case you have to start from scratch with anything. And on this side here, you've got the memory card slot, and we've got a memory card in there. And I presume it operates like a dash cam does, where once the memory card's full, you can it'll just start recording over what it's already recorded on there. So there you go. It's a nice weighty, solid device, well made, nice looking device, quite chunky. Picture quality is excellent again. And like I say, I went for the no subscription option. Once this is placed in the holder, the bracket, it's locked, so you can't remove it, and you can't access the memory card, but you can access the charging port. And yeah, I suppose it's an anti-theft device really, and they give you a special key to insert to unlock this, so you can remove it to change the memory card, or remove it to charge it up. I'm probably going to leave it in situ to charge it up, and just put a cable through the letterbox and charge it that way. Yeah, pretty neat item, very good. I almost forgot, inside the box you also get this little thing, and this is it's a ringer box. It's a speaker, and it's got a light. It lights up when it rings, and it also comes with 3 AAA batteries that power this thing. And yeah, you've got your volume for your ring on there. We have it on full. You can so you have a selection of 4 ringtones. You can see the light flashing there, and the nice thing about this is you can take it from room to room with you if you're not taking your phone with you, or if you're not connected the doorbell camera to the app. This will do is just a normal ringer. So someone will come up, the doorbell camera will detect movement, start taking pictures and filming. If they press the button, this will sound, and your phone will start ringing as well if you've got the app on there, and you can answer the doorbell if you want, or using your phone, talk to the person there, tell them to go away if it's a junk call, which is great. Or if one of these delivery people just comes up and puts your parcel on the step and walks away, you'll know about it, because any movements will activate a notification on your phone via the app as well. Pretty neat this. With a lot of other companies like Ring, something like this is something extra you have to pay for, but with ieGeek, this actually comes as part of the kit, which is great. That's everything out the box, and they do give you a case to put the camera doorbell thingy, whatever you want to call it, in, and they give you some screws, raw plugs, everything you need, all that super strong industrial sticky pad stuff that once it's on, it's on. This is where we've mounted it, and it actually clicks into that and it's locked in, and they give you the special key to get it out. There's a hole on the side where you can access the charging port if it needs recharging, which it will every couple of months. You can charge it up without removing the device, and it also blocks any access to the memory card, so no one can steal the device and no one can steal the memory card. And this is what it looks like once you put the device back into the holding bracket. You put the bottom in first, and then you push the top in, and you'll hear the click, and it's now locked in. It can't be removed unless you've got the key. And this is what you'll see if somebody undesirable walks up to it. That's the video doorbell all installed. It's been up now about 3 weeks. It's doing everything it should do perfectly, no problems whatsoever. Quality is great. I'm really happy with it. And they do 4 different models. They do my one, and the same one as mine but in black, and then they do another different model in white or black as well. And they're all roughly about the same price, 78 quid. Now, I didn't pay that. I got mine in the January sales, and I paid £48. Now, at the moment, they've got a Valentine's Day sale on, and they're asking £53 for the one I got. Now, in comparison, if you go to the Ring website, and I know I'm going on about Ring, it's just a comparison. I've got nothing against Ring. Their products are excellent and they work really well. And this works just as well and does the same thing, right? Theirs is £160 to £220 and you don't get the Ringer box. You have to buy that separately. So it's a massive saving. It's about a third of the price and it does exactly the same thing. And the good thing is now we've got a working doorbell again. And, you know, not only can we hear it when someone presses the doorbell, but we can always, and also see who's at the door.